Let's see how you can add a shadow to images using Canva. This simple trick makes your designs pop and adds depth for a more professional look. Firstly, we need to open up a design. So for this example, let's select whiteboards. I want to add any image to the whiteboard. You can do this with any template you want. So for this example, I want to add a shadow to an image of a fish. Oh, there's one in my recently used tab. So let's use this. Click on it and let's adjust the size. Next, to add the shadow effect to it, all we need to do is click on the image and click Edit. Then we go to the left-hand side and look at effects. Here we can see shadows. After we click on it, we are greeted with different ways shadows can be implemented on the image. So for this example, let's use backdrop. Here I can adjust the blur amount, the direction, as well as the intensity of the shadow. Once you're satisfied with your image, all we need to do is click on our design again so that there's nothing else we need to do. And that's it. That's how you add a shadow to images using Canva. See you soon.